Located in the center of campus, inside the Darrin Communication Center, is the School of Humanities, Arts, and Social Sciences Media Performance and Recording Studio. With a ribbon cutting on September 28, 2018, it was offered for both courses and research. Designed by the fabled Walter Stork Design Group, this 1,000 square foot space always has at the ready a baby grand piano surrounded by a sound-deadening theater curtain that is also removable, allowing for a more diffuse sounding environment affected by the specially designed diffusion wall. Changing things around in the studio can easily accommodate a multi-camera video production of small ensemble performances, even with green screen abilities. It's also a great performance and rehearsal space. Traditional classroom presentation abilities add in the support for courses like sound recording and production, songwriting workshop, ensemble nonlinear, and digital filmmaking. Inside the audio control room, you'll find a highly configurable multi-channel audio monitoring system. With incredible acoustics, you can set up for traditional stereo or surround sound. Also part of the suite is a separate voiceover booth with a set of high-quality microphones, allowing for a variety of voiceover work. Supported by the latest audio hardware and software, users can conduct many different types of recording connected to all the other spaces. Solo productions are also possible, allowing for external MIDI devices or instruments right inside the control room. There are many analog and digital input-output connections to and from all of the other spaces, including high-bandwidth, low-latency fiber optic connectivity with RPI's MPAC, enabling cross-campus or off-campus collaborative performances. In the video control room is the latest NewTek TriCaster video production system, highly capable of producing professional quality content in the latest digital formats. A studio set of HD video cameras, green screening, and high-performance lighting systems help to augment the studio's capabilities. Several input-output connections also exist. Last up is our new sound isolation practice suite. Inside here, you will find 3 Wegner SoundLock isolation practice modules. All of them are fitted with Boston upright pianos. These spaces can also be used for other instruments and singing. One of these booths contains the Wegner's Virtual Acoustics Environment Simulated Room Reverb System, which allows the user to simulate a much larger room. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.